Alright guys, you're welcome back. You're welcome to this video. I am J2 from VL Concept Digital Marketing Agency. So you guys are welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create. There are two things I'm going to show you how to create in this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a pop-up sign-up form, a sign-up form that actually pops up automatically when a visitor visits your website. Then secondly, I'm going to be showing you how to create a pop-up contact form. When they click on a button, this form is actually triggered to come up, to pop up. It doesn't, like, the button doesn't take you to a contact page where you have to see a contact form on that page. When you click on this button, this contact form pops up automatically on that same page. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's visit this. Now, when you look here, this is a landing page. This is a landing page I created for myself. So you see, this is a landing page. When you come here, let's click on any of the buttons. When you click on this button, you see it's a contact form actually pops up. With this contact form, you can enter your name, you can enter your phone number, you can enter your email, then you enter your message. Like maybe you want a website, you enter a message, you tell me you need a website for your business, this and that, and you submit. I will receive the email. Okay, so now and this is the second thing I'll show you. The first thing is going to be a pop-up form and a pop-up sign-up form. That's, you can call it an opt-in form or a sign-up form whatsoever. Okay, you come here, let's go to my website. Now, when the reason why this form is not actually, when you visit this site, you have to, before I think between 5 to 7 seconds, then this form will pop up. Okay, now if you look at this form will not actually pop up because I'm logged into this website. Okay, now let me open this website in an incognito, in a new incognito window. Now this is a new incognito windows. All right, so when you open the site in an incognito window, I don't know why this record is not switching, but when you open your when you do all the steps I'm going to be showing you, then you open your website in an incognito window, or if you are not logged into your website, log out, open your website, the front end of your website in a new window. This form will actually pop up. Okay, now let's just come here. This is, somebody can click here to subscribe to my weekly newsletter. When you click here, this form will actually pop up as well. Okay, when you click on this, so you see this is the sign up form. This one is different from the one that is actually on the landing page. The one on the landing page is acting like a contact form. Okay, where they have to contact me, but here you are actually subscribing to to my newsletter, where I can send you weekly discounts, on send you information about weekly discounts and stuffs like that. Okay, so let's go to my back end. Let me show you how you can get this done. This sign up form, you can condition it to actually pop up. That's what I'll be showing you. You condition it to pop up when a visitor visits your site. Now, I decided to as well include it like a trigger, so that you trigger it to pop up. Okay, like let me say a visitor visits the site, and this, now let me say the form pops up. The person didn't sign up for the first time. Now the person goes through the site and the person decides that, okay, let me sign up. Maybe with time I'm going to, let me be getting information about this guy's discount. Okay, now you can just click here, bam, and you sign up. You're good to go. Okay, so now the plugin we're going to be using here is known as Opt-in Monster. Okay, Opt-in Monster, with Opt-in Monster you can actually sign up. Okay, you can actually upgrade to their premium, to the premium version of that plugin, so that you can actually create an email list, so you can send out emails, bulk emails. Okay, when you have an email list, you can send out bulk email to this. Like you can send out mails, maybe weekly, whatever base you want, you send the mails. But now what I'll be showing you, I'll not be showing you how to create an email list with them, that's connecting your pop-up form to an email list. So I'll just maybe in a different video I can show you how to do that. But here I just want to show you how to establish this form on your website. Okay, so let's go to my backend. All right, people, this is my backend. This is my backend. I believe you already know how to access your backend. If you haven't, then visit my previous videos so that you'll be able to understand how to access your backend. So let's come here. Let's go. When you log in, you come to plugins. Just come to add new at once. So come to add new. You see here search. You just search for plugin. You come just search for opt-in, opt-in, then monster, opt-in monster. Okay, so this is the plugin. So you see here they say you see here opt-in monster WordPress pop-up for opt-in, email, newsletters, and lead generation. So you see they have this lead generation feature where you can actually generate leads and so on and so forth. Okay, if you don't want, you can use MailChimp for your email provider. Okay. Then look at this is the one I'm using, the one with green. This one is actually Monster Insight Analytics. So this is not the one you have to use. So you install the plugin and you activate. Now it's already showing active with me because I have activated it on my website. Okay. So the next thing you have to do is when you have that on your website, when you have that installed already, you just come here, opt-in monster. Now take note, don't confuse between opt-in monster and monster insight. Monster insight is analytics, Google Analytics. That one is used for Google Analytics. So this is the one we're using, opt-in monster. So when you come to opt-in monster, after installing it, a message will pop up so that you connect your website with opt-in monster. Now, if you don't receive this message, what do you have to do? You just come here, come down here, come to settings. Let me show you. All right. So when you come here, when you go to settings, you see here it will tell you um it's showing disconnect with me because I already have it. It has been connected to my website. Okay. With you, it will be showing connect. So this is where you have to connect. Okay. So you can check out other features, site settings, billings, sub accounts, miscellaneous, and so on. You can check to see what's there for you. Okay. All right. So let's move on. When you come here now, after you have done that, after you have connected your website to Opt-in Monster, what you need to do is you come here to campaigns, just click on campaigns. All right, you click on campaigns. Now I'm going to delete this one. Delete this. I don't need this one. Now these are the two campaigns I'm using. This is the one. This is a pop-up form on my website. Then this is the pop-up contact form on the landing page which I have, which I showed you earlier. All right. So when you come here now, what you need to do is just click on add new. Add new. Now you see they are giving you different. They are giving you pop-up, floating bar, full screen, inline, sightline, gamified. Okay, so the one we're going to be using is pop-up. That's what we want to produce. So now when you look here, you'll see different templates. So now let's take a look at these templates. Just click on preview. So you see they have different ways. Yes, save up to this. When you click on this now, it directs you to a different site where you have to. It depends on how you're going to set it. But let's preview another one. Let's preview this one. So you see the way the stuffs look like. There are different ones. From here, let's preview this one. So you see, read more announcement. Please read the latest update as we receive them. So it depends on your need. Okay, it depends on your need. This is what we're going to be using. We're going to be using the basic one. Just click on view. So you see, yes, sign me up. No thanks. So it depends. You can say yes, sign me up, then it will give you that form where you have to put your name, your email, and you're good to go. Or you say no thanks, you refuse. It depends on you, okay? So right, let's use the template. I'll just give a campaign name. Let me just say I'll give a campaign name of 000. because it's just now this campaign name is not something that will show on your form. Okay, it's not going to show on your form. It is something that it actually just helps you to identify your form in case, or your campaign in case you have different campaigns. So let's go. So after naming your campaign, just come here and say start building. All right, it's not that difficult, it's not difficult, it's very easy. Why is this thing taking us so long? All right, guys. All right, guys. So you see what they are giving here. This is how the form will look like. Now, you don't if you don't sign up to the pro version under this, it will show obtain monster. Unless you sign up to the pro version before the watermark will be removed. Okay. All right, but I'm showing you how to use free resources. That's what I'm actually doing. So you just come here. If you want to change the text, I'm not going to change the text. I'm just going to show you how to do some small little stylings, stuffs like that. Okay, it's just the same like WordPress. You understand? You just come here, click on it. If you want to change the text, just click on it, delete the text, and you enter your own text. You want to make it bold, you make it bold. You want to align, everything is here. You understand? All the options are already here. So it's now on you. You want to style this one, the same thing. Bam, you come here. You have to select all the text, okay, before this thing will come up, before this thing will pop up, so that you can actually work on the stuff. If you want to work on a particular one, let me say inbox. Let me say I want to make inbox bold. You just have to come here, select inbox. If you want to make just that one bold, bold it. So you see, everything is good to go. You can change the color if you want. All right. So if you want to put an image, you want to add an image here, you just come here, drag image box, bam. Let me drag it again, put it inside here. So you have to drag your image here, okay? Or you select from your computer, bam, your form has an image. But I will not do that. I will not do that. I'll delete it. Let me see. Delete. I'll just select this particular. If you delete here, you're deleting the whole form, okay? You delete here. So you delete that particular block. Now you're good to go. So once you're done doing that, you just come to display rule. Display rule is actually where you have to give the condition of your form. That's the display condition. Now you come here, time on page. Time on page, you come here. This is it. At least 5 seconds. The person has to make at least 5 seconds on the page before that form will actually display. You can increase it to 10 seconds. Okay, it depends on you. It depends on you. All right. Now, once you've done that, you just come here. Now, you see integration. Integration is where you want to create an email list with opt-in monster, or you integrate it to another email provider like Mailchimp, for example. Okay, but I'm not showing you that. Now, when you look here, publish, this is the next part you have to come to. When you see publish, with this publish, it's actually showing like it is paused. All right, so next we have to publish it. So you see here, this publish sign is actually showing paused, okay, because it has not been published. Now, when you click on publish to publish it, you just come here. This is it. You see it's draft. So you have to publish it, or you can schedule it to start maybe to be published at a particular time. Okay, so now what you do is just come here, click on publish. Most of the times when you publish it, it's not going to be published. Okay, so what do you do? Let me show you what you have to do. Now just save. Now we'll save the form before we exit it. Now when you publish and go to your front end and it doesn't comes up, okay, most of the times after publishing, this thing will still show like this. Now I'm not going to publish because I already have a form there on the side, a pop-up form on the side. So just click on this monster logo. It's going to go back. All right, so when you look here, you see they say return to campaign list. Just click on return to campaign list. Now you see I have this a campaign, this a campaign, and this another campaign. That's the reason why I actually told you have to name the campaign. You see 000 pop-up, contact pop-up, verb pop-up. So we have different pop-ups. Now when you look here, it's actually showing draft. Just click on this draft. it will bring a drop down. You see draft, you see pending, you see publish, you see set schedule. So you now click on publish and it's going to be published. So that is all. Okay, now you can go to an incognito tab. You open a new incognito window. This is it. Open new incognito window. Then you log it. As you go to you enter your site, enter your domain, and you actually see if this form is working. Okay, and it is definitely going to work. Okay. All right, now so let's go to the second thing. Let me show you how we're going to create the second form, which is the contact form, which pops up. Let me show you. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So you just come here. When you come here, you click. You see that it pops up. Now the other form has just name and email. This one has name, phone, email, and message. So let me show you how to do that. And most of those forms, most of those opt-in monster forms have just name and email, name and email. But here I'm going to show you how to do the one that has name, email, number, and message, where you can enter your message. Okay, so let's go to the back end. Let me show you how to do that. Now, the first thing you need to do is you have to go to plugins, go to add new. Now, when you are here, just search for WP form, WP forms. Now, this is WP forms. It's already active on my site. Okay, so you see here WP, you see here contact form by WP forms, drag and drop form builder for WordPress. You see it has 5-star ratings, 11,630 um 5-star ratings, 5+ million active installations. It was updated 1 month ago. So you see this plugin is actually a cool plugin. Now when you install and activate the plugin, you come to the site here, you go to WP forms, you come here, you come to add new. Now I'll just go to all forms and show you something. Or let's just go to add new, add new. Now when you come to add new, you see they'll tell you blank form, they'll tell you contact form, simple contact form. Will tell you new sign up form. What kind of form do you want to create? If you want to create your pop-up form or your sign up form, newsletter form, referral form, whatever you can create, okay, then you go and integrate with the Optimonster pop-up. That's what I'll be showing you here. We'll create a contact form with WP form, then we'll integrate it inside Optimonster so that it's actually going to be a pop-up like the one I show you on the landing page. All right, so let's go. So you just come here, use template. Connection is slow. All right, guys. So you see, this is a form here. This is a form here. The form has it has name, it has email, it has message. Okay. Now I'll just click on this form. I'll click on this. Then I just want to make it simple. I just want you to have a single line. So you come here, you take simple. You see, it doesn't have first and second name. Now it has just name. Okay. Then you can add field. You can add whatever field you want. Maybe number. You want to collect number. Paragraph text. You want to add simple line text. Just put it here. Simple line text. Maybe you want to. Okay. So now you see, you can just come here. Then you remove it and you put phone. Okay, so that people can enter their number. All right, now once you do that, you need to give it a name. Click on it, give it a name. Maybe I'll just leave it this way, simple contact form, because I already have other forms with names there. So let me just say simple contact form 000. All right, so I'll save this form. Save this form. Then you can embed. When you click on embed, they'll ask you some conditions and stuff like that. But before you even do that, before you even save, there are a lot of things you need to look at, like notifications. Like whenever they submit the form, what should they see? Like, you see, this is where you actually receive notification. This is the email you actually receive. This particular mail is coming from this form. Now it is by default is already showing admin email, the email that is associated to this website. So this is the email. You can actually remove this and you put in the email you want to receive all this. Okay, you come here, confirmation. The confirmation email, confirmation message is what they will see after they submit this their message. Okay, so you can work on the confirmation message here, and so on. You move on, right? Okay, so what next? What next? So when you do that, when you're done with that, you just save. Okay, when you've actually entered all that, you save. Then you come here. You can change this button from submit to maybe to something else. Okay, this is it. You can change the text of that button from submit to something else. All right, come here, embed. Now you see here they say select existing page. Maybe you want to attach this particular to a particular page, create a new page, but we don't want that. Embed your form manually, use shortcode. Just come here, copy the shortcode. Even if you don't copy the shortcode from here, you can copy the shortcode when you go back. Okay. Now let me show you something. Go back. I'll just clear this. All right. So you see here, simple contact form. You just come here. This is shortcode. You can All right, you can copy the shortcode from here. You see simple contact form 000. You can copy the shortcode from here. If you didn't copy at the level of the form, you just copy it from here. Just copy from here, select this, and you copy. Okay, now what next are you supposed to do? We have created our form. We want our form to look this way. Okay, now this is a contact form. The next thing, you just go back to opt-in monster. Where is that opt-in monster man again? You just come here, opt-in monster, you go to campaigns again, campaigns. All right, so these are the various campaigns we have. Okay, now I'll delete this one. This is the campaign I actually showed you for the first pop-up form. So I'll delete it because I don't need it. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, then you come here, you just click on add new. You want to add a new campaign. Now just come down here, Now what we're going to be doing is we want to embed this short code which you copy in this particular opt-in monster pop-up. So we just come here. Still, this thing is on pop-up. Okay, just come here, search for canvas. Canvas with S, not Canva. Now when you come to canvas, now this is actually a form that we are going to put a short code, HTML, then put in this short code. So we are just going to use templates. Now you can name it. Maybe I'll just say 000 again. It's just a name. Start building. Just hold on. Vou. Quer chegar no vídeo? Legal. Muito cool. All right, guys. So now when you come here, now this is the form. This is the form. Okay. Now once you're here, these things are actually like samples and stuff like that. So I'll just delete this. Delete. Yes, I want to delete. Here they say drag and drop that. We don't need this. We'll actually delete this. We can just put this and you can just say contact. Okay, let me just say contact us. Can just put it that way. Then you come here, click on this home icon. Look very well here. You see this home icon. Just click on this home icon. Come here and search for HTML. HTML. Drag this HTML. Drag the HTML and put it here. Okay. Now let's see. Let's go and drag again, guys. We'll drag the HTML, drag it, and put it under this contact us. All right. So you see here now, this is where we have to put our short code. Let's say add HTML here. So you start from this full stop, you highlight it, arrive here at this add, then you paste in the short code you actually copied. Okay, this is the way it's going to look like. That's how it's going to look like. Now when you do that, just click on save. Click on save. All right, it has been saved. Okay, it has been saved. Now you have to go to the page where you want people to actually click and contact you. Now let me say you have a particular button that wants to direct people to your contact us page. For example, let me go to this landing page. Okay, now we are on this landing page. You're on this landing page. Okay, when you're on this landing, you're on the page which you want. Let me just take WP, or no need to even take WP. I'll just say edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Okay, so we want the condition. What we want to set here is it doesn't have any condition like the other one where we have to set maybe for it to click or stuff like that. But now let me show you something. Let me actually show you something. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let me show you something here. So after you must have saved the form, you just come to display. Okay, come to display. Now, when you have the pro version of Monster, when you come to display, you see here time on form. Maybe you can put this even on 60 seconds so that it shouldn't like pop up because it's a contact form. It shouldn't pop up. Okay. So when you come here, you see here time on form, you see popular. Just come under popular. After popular, you come to monster link on click. You understand? So that it is actually on click so that people can click to trigger the form to come up. Okay, after you've done that, you come to publish. You need to publish your form. You need to publish your form. Now, when you have the pro version of Monster, when you have the pro version, let's go to display condition. When you have the pro version of Monster, you click here on link or monster link on click. When you click here, it will take you now to where you have to copy the monster link. Take note, you have to copy the monster link, then go and put it inside your button. But if you're not using the pro version of Monster, what you need to do is when you come to, let's go to the button. Now, when you are having the pro version of Monster, when you copy your link, come to the button which you want maybe the action to take place there. Just come here. When you come here, they'll ask you to now when you set your button. Okay, let me bring in a new button. I'll just bring in a new button. Let me bring a button. So this is a new button, okay? So you have to paste your Monster link here. This is where you paste the link. You remove this hashtag, and you paste your Monster link inside here. Now, let's say you're not using the pro version. What you do is you come here, they'll say click to load pop-up. You see an option has automatically come up, okay? So now you come here, you have to select the pop-up. You see they say contact. This is one of the form I have. This is vel contact. Now we haven't seen the 000 form. Why haven't we seen this form? Because it has not been published. Let's go back. Let's come back to. So you see here, this form has not been published. Okay. So for you to publish it, you do the same thing like the way I showed you before. You go back to the campaign list, then you click on draft, a drop down will come up, then you select publish. Okay. So when you do that now, you come here, come to the button, and you click here, that particular campaign will actually show up. You understand? When the campaign shows up, then you select the campaign from here. It will give you the result. When they click on this button, that contact form will pop up exactly like the way you produce it. You understand? Like the way I showed you here. So Let me remove this button. I don't need this button. This button was just for exercise. So remove that button. All right. So now when you go to your front end, you click that that form will actually pop up, guys. So that's actually how you do this pop up this pop up contact form. So when you go to the front end now and you click on this button, you see it will pop up just like the way I showed you. So that's how you get this established. All right, guys. So if you got value from this video, guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that others can see this video, others can benefit from this video. And if this is your first time coming to this channel, do make sure you subscribe so that you get more valuable content on this channel like this. So guys, see you in the next video where I'll be dropping something huge, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys.